Whoa, sorry. Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. I'm at Ottawa On-Road Racing, and we're going to go out with TTGT. This will be A-Main TTGT. I did repair the broken wing, so I ended up using some Gorilla 6000 type stuff, and then some Gorilla Tape Black on either side, and it's held all day. There's really no other changes. I'm still on stock hexes. So my wheels and tires are set inboard. You can run the wider hexes if you want on the rear, but then your wheel nut barely holds on. So I'm still choosing to run a narrow track width, and really no other changes to this vehicle. So let's go out for an A-Main race. Alright, here we go. TTGT A-Main. Starting in P2.
Alright, we're looking to Mike Darcy down. We're going to check in from Luke. We're going to check in from Don. We're going to check in from Brad Dillon.
Whoa. You're on.
And Darcy.
It's okay, you're bright orange. At least that helped. Whoa. A-Main time.
Everybody's checked in, but Darcy, he's just put out there now. You know what you got to do, eh? Good to me.
No. Full reverse.
Alright, Marshall's ready. Racer's ready. Less than 10 on the tone. Start for everyone. Oh, spot contact. We got over there front, John Kennedy in second place. That's Morgan in third. Darcy up to fourth. Dylan in fifth position, Brad in sixth. Going through Brad, those are the leaders, everybody behind it.
All right, now I'm battling with Logan.
What is a battle for this one? The Ford GT and the Senna, and the Tamiya Senna. On the straightaway, we're here.
4 minutes left.
4 to go. Logan, John, Mike, Darcy, Dylan, and Brad.
Ah. Leader's coming up on some traffic. Can you slow him down a bit?
Watch the straight. Inside of the straight. That Subaru's going to go on the inside. We need to give you a stop and go everyone.
Three minutes left.
John Kennedy still in second place, but falling back just a little bit due to traffic. Third place, Mike Bonders with Subaru. What do I have a sudden need to do longer than Mike Bonders, but just say Tyler rather than.
Whoa. Sorry.
Left.
Here we go. this one with your lead up again. Darcy and Brad. About a minute. 1 minute left.
It doesn't bounce.
Out of time. Keep going. Call your name. Darcy's done.
Car 3 is
Bill's
done.
done. Mike's done.
Oh, last lap I was that close to catching up.
So Morgan took that one over.
All
John
right.
and Mike.
Nice.
The win on
Congrats.
6/10 of a second was the gap at the end between John and Logan.
Where'd you wind up? Third? Nice.
All right, like I said, if everybody can stick around. And
All
do
three
a
of us seem
pair,
very clean.
pack up
Yeah, I
with
know.
us.
He didn't make any mistakes this time, pretty much.
Drills up here for the boards.
Mine does not bounce very much. No, it doesn't. It definitely does not bounce there. It bounces in the middle of the
I
straightaway.
had 2 bobbles, and they're both there, and it's into the ball.
Oh. All right, that's the end of the race day. That was second place in TTGT A main with the TT02 SENNA. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. If you're new here, subscribe. If you want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching.